I'm not sure I'm pronouncing this very well, but I'll be dropping a video of what I'm talking about on the screen. Meanwhile, I would also be listing what I'm mentioning. So if you want to get the full list, in case you don't even know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your girl again, Luminous. If you are seeing this here for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare product reviews, supplement reviews, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you'd like to know about, definitely stick around. So I won't be wasting much time. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a stretch mark cream. So without wasting much time, I'll dive straight into today's recipe. The first thing you'll be needing for this recipe is your Bavaria cream. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm pronouncing this very well, but I'll be dropping a video of what I'm talking about on the screen. Meanwhile, I would also be listing what I'm mentioning. So if you want to get the full list, in case you don't even know how to, you understand, just stick around and watch the video to the end. So the first thing you'll be needing is your Bavaria cream, one of it. You need your Globatin tube. You need two of that, 2 tubes of your Globatin tube. You need miracle powder. Yes, you need two full miracle powder. Yeah, not a pinch, not a whole miracle powder. 2 of your miracle powder. Yeah, the next thing you need is your shea butter. Shea butter is a very good oil, like good butter to help fade your stretch mark. You need 30 grams of your shea butter. Yeah, you want to melt this butter before pouring into the Bavaria cream. Yes, I'll teach you guys how to mix this so you can get the perfect result from it. So you need your shea butter. You need 30 grams of your shea butter. You also need your Python Fight oil. Python Fight oil is something I can never ever skip when it comes to stretch mark. It is one of the most important or the most active ingredient in stretch mark removal kit. For whatsoever reason, if you don't have your Python fat, then I'm sorry, I don't know what you're missing. Then you need your Python oil. You need 10 ml of your Python oil. You need one stretch mark ampoule. Yes, you need 1 stretch mark ampoules. You also need glycerin. You need 10 ml of your glycerin. You need 10 ml of your coconut oil. You need 10 ml of your bio oil, and also need your propylene glycol. I can't preach propylene glycol enough in products. Whenever you're making skincare products, please endeavor to make propylene glycol like your go-to all the time. You might even do the most active products at some instance. Yes, you might have the most active ingredients, but the thing you're missing out is that particular activator that is meant to help other ingredients work very well on the customer's skin. But you miss out on that, and you miss out on everything. That is the truth about skincare. That is the secret you think you're finding. That is the secret about skincare. There is this particular thing you need to always add, and if you miss out on that particular thing, no matter how good your recipe might be, you have already missed out the core ingredients. Some of you are even fond of giving you recipe. You'll be like, can I skip this? If I don't have this, can I skip this? Can I skip this? Those things you are skipping are the main ingredient. They are the active ingredients of the mixture. So learn to know what you're skipping. If you're not ready to make the products, kindly wait till you are ready, or unless you're making for yourself, that you do not have to complain if you don't get that complete result from it. But if you are making it to sell it, then you do not want to do, can I skip this, can I skip this, can I do this, can I go off this, you understand? So you just want to get all the complete recipes so you can get the amazing review from your customers. So how to mix this stretch mark cream? First thing I said you need is your stretch mark butter, like I said. So you melt your stretch mark butter. Once you melt your stretch mark butter, add all the oils inside it before you add the Bavaria cream. Please add all the oil alone inside it, mix very well, then refrigerate for about maybe 30 minutes or so, you understand? Once you bring it out, get a mixer will do for this. Mix this shea butter very well till you have this fluffy butter, you understand. Then you add your Bavaria cream into it and add your other ingredient that I mentioned. Then the last thing you'll be adding is your miracle powder. This miracle powder, you should try and dissolve it with a little water, you understand. Try and dissolve this miracle powder with a little water, then pour into your mixture. After pouring into your mixture, you can mix very well. Then there you have your stretch mark cream, and that is the simple way to make your stretch mark cream. Meanwhile, I have dropped a recipe on how to make stretch mark oil, stretch mark scrub, and stretch mark soap. So if you have not watched that video, kindly go and watch that video. So if you are the type that would like to sell this particular recipe, that is an amazing complete, yes, complete, nobody will give you that recipe that I just gave you. That is a complete recipe to sell as stretch mark set, and you're going to make a lot from it. So if you'd like to go for our training as well, we'll do online training, advanced, beginners, any of it. Kindly chat up the number you're seeing on the screen to learn about that. So if you enjoyed or you've gotten a value from this particular video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time once I drop a new video. You know you don't want to miss out on my next video. You don't even know what I'm planning on dropping on my next video, so you do not want to miss out on it. So thanks for watching my video to this extent. Bye for now. Peace out.